Reverse lunges put a lot less stress on the knee, so these are good for if you have bad knees. And then because we're using the TRX straps for assistance, you're also going to help build up that leg strength. Number one thing before we get into any of the other details, I want to make sure that you're not doing this. Oftentimes I see people start way too far back. They're really leaning back, pulling themselves up completely with the straps. The knee should not be past your shoelaces. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down with a slight lean forward in your body, really putting a lot of more emphasis in your glutes, and you're going to just do one side at a time. Make sure that front heel, all of your pressure is in your heel. I even like to curl my toes up in my shoe to make sure I'm using that heel and that glute emphasis, with a slight pull in the straps at the bottom to help you get up. If your depth isn't this low at first, that's okay. You'll go ahead and work on that and it will get better. If your knee is really starting to hurt, go ahead and just start with the depth that your knee allows you. And then as your glute gets stronger, your knee will be more supported. Just make sure that your weight is over top of your shoelaces and that you're not too far back and using those straps too much.